Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amandi Samkiti for those of you that do not know, and on today's video I am going to show you the girls can change tires too. So basically I was meant to change my tire, but I haven't had time to take it to mechanics and all of that, to have it changed. So I thought, because I had learned how to do it myself, why not maybe just film it and share it with you guys, because you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you're a female and you're on your own and you get a puncture or whatever, and you have to now wait for, I don't know, insurance people or whoever to come to your rescue. If you can do it yourself, it's even better, and it's quite quick if you know what you're doing. So I thought, let me whip up my camera and capture that, and maybe this will also show you something, and I hope you enjoy it and you learn something new today. If you want to see this video, please do keep on watching. Remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.